Ladies, are you back and are you opening more Doorables?
Yes, but she cheated.
cheated.
She
I
always
looked.
lost. She knows she's 5. I did.
I'm gonna guess 6.
Just 6, even though you know it's 5.
Guess 6.
I'm gonna guess 6. I did not look even though
Okay.
she thought I cheated, but I did not. I'm gonna say 6.
All right.
Up 5 also.
5, all right.
All right.
Both of them have 5. Let's get them out. Yes.
How to do it?
You know how to do it, Karyn?
I'm ready.
All right.
Ready, 2,
3, 2, 1.
Very nice.
I don't know whose this is now.
Well, just
I know
grab
yours
5.
like that, okay.
All right. Y'all get started guessing. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I am guessing Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh.
Karyn, who do you think you got?
Finnick.
Finnick?
Finnick, definitely.
All right.
You hear he's
Definitely
finishing
Finnick.
the song in the other room.
Yeah, Dad's whistling in the other room.
And I am correct. Winnie the Pooh.
And
Winnie
Finnick,
the Pooh. Finnick
Very,
and
very
Pooh.
cute.
Finnick and Pooh. Oops.
Yes. All right, ladies, which ones are you picking next?
Finnick and Pooh.
All right, get started guessing. All right, Mama, who do you think?
I'm going to guess Officer Clawhauser, which would be great because that would be our last Zootopia one.
Yep.
And I'm saying he did what in his cup?
She's saying Mater.
Mater. Wow.
Oh, you were right. It's Mater.
And look.
Officer Clawhauser. You guys were both right.
Mater.
I like you already. You're my best friend. I love Mater.
There we go.
My besties.
All right, that's what we have so far, ladies. Pick your poison.
Oh my gosh. You would have loved. She missed it.
All right, Karyn, who do you think you have?
This is Flick.
Think that's Flick?
Flick from Bugs
I
Life.
love the confidence.
I am
Mama?
thinking Soul Mr. Mittens, and I believe I'm right.
You
Oh,
are.
I'm totally
And this
wrong, but
is-
I'm not upset by it.
You got Princess. Oh, you got Dot. That's a new one, too, and she's a rare.
I got Dot.
And Soul Mr. Mittens is an ultra rare.
I'm not
Yes.
upset by them.
Yes. So just to recap, Officer Clawhauser is a rare. Mater is also a rare. And then these are our only 2 commons so far. So good job, ladies. On to your next 2. All right, Mama, who do you think it
I'm
is?
gonna guess Machiavelli from Luca.
Okay,
It's a
Karyn.
really cool name.
It is a cool name.
Cool name.
It's a cool
Yeah.
name. Yeah. Hey, I am going to go with Heimlich, but I'm not very strong in my
Were you right, Mom?
my opinion. No.
I am right.
Woohoo! That's
And
another
that
new
was a
one.
rare one.
Oh, and you got Nick.
Totally threw me off.
Oh,
I
now
thought they
we
were bunny
did.
ears.
Yeah.
Nick from Zootopia.
So Machiavelli is an ultra rare, and Nick is a common.
No, it's a rare.
Oh, Machiavelli's a rare. Sorry. Okay, on to the last ones
Yes.
of this set. Tally ho. Mama, who are you guessing?
I am going to guess Flick.
Okay, who do you think, Karyn?
Officer Clawhausen, whom we already know.
Yes. All right, let's see who's right.
This is Flick. It is.
Yay, that's a new one.
I should have gone with my first guess.
You had it. We have another Machiavelli.
They always tell you go with your first
Yes.
choice.
Boop, boop, boop. He's going home with you.
Yay! As is boop, 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 and
Welcome to the town.
meow.
Yeah, nice. Take it over, Raider.
I'm the world's best backwards driver.
That's true.
Yeah. How do you do that? Rear view mirrors.
And I can't do. Thank God for backup mirrors.
Yes.
Thank
All
God for
right.
backup mirrors.
All right, ladies,
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
to say to the fans?
We love our Disney Doorables and a noisy puppy.
Yes.
We do. Thanks for joining us. And as always, happy day.
Happy day.
Happy day.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.